To set the Wi-Fi IP address to DHCP or static on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, first tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, tap on connections. Then in here, we go down and tap on Wi-Fi. Now make sure you tap on the Wi-Fi toggle button and switch it on. Next, tap on the settings icon right next to the name of your Wi-Fi network. Then in here, we go down and tap on View More. Next, tap on IP settings. From here, you could choose between DHCP and static. If you select static, you can manually set the IP address, the gateway, the network prefix length, and DNS. Now you need to make sure that you put this number in correctly. You can't just simply put any random number, otherwise you won't be able to have a established connection to your router, and you won't be able to connect to the internet. Now the difference, or the main difference between the DHCP and static IP addresses, it relates to how your device gets its network settings. The DHCP stands for Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. It has automatic assignment, so your device automatically receives an IP address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS settings from your router if you choose DHCP. Now with that option, it has ease of use, no manual configuration is needed, making it simple for everyday users. Whereas if you select static, it is a manual configuration. You can manually enter a fixed IP address and other network settings on your device. With static settings, it provides a consistencies, so your device always uses the same IP address, which can be important for applications like remote access, port forwarding, or network devices that need to reliably connect to one another. And also, if there is a potential of conflicts, care must be taken to choose an IP address outside of the router's DHCP pool to avoid conflicts with other devices on the network. So in one occasions where my device have the same IP address with another device, so I have to go in here and manually change the IP settings so that I can have my phone connect to the internet. So sometimes static is quite useful if for some reason your device is using the same IP address of another device. So yeah, you can choose the DHCP or static from here, then tap on saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.